Okay, here's the Cricut. I'm gonna put the needle in. So the groove is within the little grooves. Close it. And medium paper, so it's set on 6. Chose a design. Alright. And medium paper, original blade 6, okay, and now cut. Unload the paper, and it didn't cut anything. It was supposed to be a small heart.